Question is that if A is from 1 to 14, one set we have, a set is from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Okay. Define a relation. We have to define a relation here. How that xy is 3x minus y equals to 0. Okay. Then question is to find out domain. Question is to find domain, codomain, and range. Okay. So what is the answer in your mind? First, we put these all value 1 to 14. Okay. क्योंकि रिलेशन जो है उसमें सबसे पहले किस चीज की जरूरत पड़ती है बेटा? वी नीड दी डोमेन. Domain, if you put in the equation, then only we can find out the range. Clear? So what is the relation? That 3x minus y equal to 0. I will take this y on the right hand side. So y comes equal to 3x. Now put the value x. X, that is 1. When I put here 1 in this, 3 into 1, that is equal to y. y की वैल्यू कितनी निकल के आ गई? It is equal to 3. Okay. Relation also I am defining here. When I put 1, answer is 3. Next, when I put here 2, what will be the answer? After putting 2, 3 to ja 6. Then substitute 3 here, answer will be 9. 4, answer is 16. तो कई बच्चे कहते हैं मैम इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स विल कम. नो. 4, 14, 5. अगर मैं 5 पुट करूं, if I put 5 here, so answer will be 25. Answer will be 25. So is this 25 belongs to R? क्या 25 R में जाएगा? Why is it so? Because XY should belongs to A. XY किस में जाना चाहिए? A में. जब मैंने 4 पुट किया, when I put 4, so answer is 16. After putting 4, answer is 16. Is 16 and 25 belongs to A? Are they in A? No. Okay. So this relation will not go in the R. Okay. Is it clear to all? Now put the values here. Domain. What will be the domain here? Domain is according to set. It is 1, then 2, then 3. Only these values. These are the domain. ये values हमने put की 1, 2 और 3. ठीक है. Accordingly, range will come here 3, 6, 9. What will be the range here? 3, 6, 9. क्योंकि if you are putting here 1, answer is coming 3. After putting 2, answer is 6. After putting this 3, what will be the answer? Answer is 9. Same as, can we find out the domain, codomain here? What will be the codomain? Codomain is the complete set. Codomain will be the complete set. So what is the complete set? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. क्यों लिखा मैंने ऐसा? Because our relation is from A to A. Relation जो है वो कहाँ से है बेटा? A से A तक. मतलब ये क्या होती है हमारी डोमेन और ये क्या होता है हमारा कोडोमेन. डोमेन नहीं बोल सकते इसको, है ना? Because you have to take only those values which satisfy it. So it is codomain here. Okay. I think these things are clear to you. Next is here. Question number 2. Define a relation R on the set. So I want reply from your side. Okay. Then only it will be helpful for me. Here, this is a relation R. R is on set. So I'm unmuting you. Okay. We have a relation R that is what? XY. मैंने क्या कहा था, that always occur in order pair. How? That y equal to x plus 5. Okay, and there is a condition. Can you see here? X is less than 4. Value of x is less than 4. Okay. Depict the relation using the roster form. First you have to write in roster form. In simple आपको values put करनी है जैसे अभी हमने किया. Find the domain and then next is to find out the range. Okay. So hurry up. Tell me the answers here. What will be the x here? जल्दी बताओ. You all are unmute. So what is the relation? What I put in this relation? क्या input दूं इसको?
मैम 1, 2 और 3.
Yeah, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, because x is less than 4. Value of x is less than 4. So according to it, अगर value x than 4 है, it means क्या होगी? 1 से 3. 0 क्यों नहीं है? Because it belongs to natural number. Natural number से belong कर रहा है. Okay. Now after putting 1, tell me the answer. What will be the answer of this? 6. Very good, Mayur. Here after putting 1, y we have equal to x plus 5. y की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? x plus 5. x को 1 पुट कर देते हैं. 1 plus 5 किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा? 6 के इक्वल आ जाएगा. Okay, so answer is 1 with 6. Now 2.
7.
7.
Very good, Palak. Next 3.
8.
Oh,
8.
that's good. Answer is 8. Okay, so this is the relation which we got here. Okay, now who will answer? Akshat, you are done. Tell me the domain here. What is the domain here? Akshat.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Answer is 1, 2, 3. जो आंसर्स यहाँ पर हम इनपुट दे रहे हैं, that all are domain. Okay. Next who will answer? Ansh. Ansh will answer it. What is the range here? Range क्या होगी बेटा?
6, 7, 8.
Very good. Answer is 6, 7, 8. Why so? Because corresponding to 1, output is coming 6. Okay. Now the question will be, what is codomain? Codomain क्या होती? Garvit, Sethi. Unmute yourself and tell me what is codomain, beta. You can answer it. Codomain. Anyone?
6, 7, 8.
Yeah, codomain is complete set n. R किसके ऊपर है बेटा? Natural number के ऊपर है. Okay, so I can write here this n. ठीक है? But कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं? कर्ली ब्रैकेट लगाते हैं. Okay, so don't apply it. n itself is a set. Okay, n तो अपने आप में ही क्या है? एक natural number का set होता है. Okay, things are clear to you that when you have any relation, then how we can define them. Come to the next one. Here, next question is A. Is this 1, 2, 5? 1, 2, 3, 5. B is 4, 6, 9. Relation is x, y. What is the relation? The difference between x and y is odd. Difference between x and y should come equal to odd number. Okay. Now, find R in roster form. So, tell me the roster form. This 1. 1 के साथ क्या क्या आना चाहिए? जल्दी बताओ. What number will be there?
4.
4. Very good. Why it is so? 1 minus 4 that equal to minus 3. If it is coming negative, positive, it doesn't mean, है ना? क्योंकि minus 3 मुझे चाहिए. मुझे तो odd से मतलब है. Next, 1 with
6.
So, very good. 1 with 9 आएगा?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
1 9 will not come because 1 9 के साथ क्या हो जाएगा? ये even हो जाएगा. Next 2 4.
9.
No, ma'am.
No,
2 के साथ
ma'am.
9 है.
Yeah,
2
2
9.
6. 2 9. Very good. Answer is 2 9. Next 3 4.
3 4.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3 6.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then 3 9.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
3 9 is 6 and 6 is our this which one even number. Okay, तो क्या आएगा 3 6. Next 5 के साथ जल्दी जल्दी बताओ what will be the
Four.
relation?
4.
Very
Four.
good. 5 के साथ क्या आएगा?
From 5 4 or 5 6.
5 6.
Yeah, very good. 5 4 and 5 6. Okay, so this is the complete roster form, or you can say the relation where x and y, the difference between x and y is a odd number. Okay, now come to the next one. This is the question. The given figure shows a relation. What is the relation here? Between the set. Set is P and Q. Write this relation in a set builder form. Can you see this? If the input is 5, answer is coming 3. If input is 6, answer is coming 4. If input is 7, answer is coming 5. Can you see? Is there any relation between these x and y?
All have the differences.
Ma'am, -2.
Tell me again.
Ma'am, difference
Minus
is
2.
Difference.
Ma'am, difference
Yeah,
2.
you can say difference is 2. Okay. If this is x, this is y. Element क्या होगा? X होगा. और ये क्या होगा बेटा? This is y. So what is the relation? R. Roster. You have to write it set builder form. Set builder form always occur in order pair. How? Such that x from y. Okay. This is x comma y. And what is the condition for this x? Can you see this? Condition भी तो होनी चाहिए ना x पे, या कुछ भी put कर दे. Is it clear? You have to keep this in mind. X is from, you can say 5 to 7. X कहाँ से जा रहा है? 5 से 7. And the relation is x minus y. X minus y, that is equal to 2. So this is what it is in roster form. Got it? Next. Sorry, set builder form. Next is roster form. Anyone from your side? What is the roster form here? What will be the roster form? Komal. Komal is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Komal. Tell me what will be the roster form here, beta?
Ma'am, 5, 3, 6, 4, and 7, 5.
Very good. Very good. Very good reply you have given. It is 5, 3. Corresponding to 5, answer is 3. Next, 6, 4. And the last one, that is 7, 5. So this will be the answer. Very good. Next, Harshita Vasuja. Harshita, what is the domain of it? What will be the domain here?
ma'am 5 6 7.
Very good. The inputs are domain. That is 5, 6, 7. And what is the range, beta?
Ma'am 3 4 5.
Yeah, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So can you see this 11th math तो बहुत easy है ना? I think nobody is facing problem in it, है ना? This is the question. Next is here. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. A is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. R is a relation on A defined by. How it is defined? That is AB. Now the relation is A. Yeah? We named it A. And it is occurring in pair AB. How is this AB? Sorry, R is a relation. Relation is R itself. And it is on set A. And this is from A to A. Can you see this? Relation A पे है, तो दोनों elements किससे आ रहे हैं बेटा? That is from A to A. Okay. Now, what is the relation? B is exactly divisible by the number which will come on first, second. That should be exactly divisible by the first number. वो उससे क्या होना चाहिए? Exactly divisible होना चाहिए. Okay. Let's see what will come in the relation here. Okay. What we have here, to write it in roster form, R. Okay. So tell me, number I am saying 1. 1 is this. Tell me with 1 what we can write.
1.
1. Very good. First of all, we write down 1 here. 1 is exactly divisible by 1. Next, 1 with
2.
2. Yeah, answer will be 2. 1, 3. 1,
3,
4. 1,
4,
6. Is
6.
it clear? Because this number 1 here, you can say 4 is exactly just write in the same pattern as in relation. Okay, divisible by, so you can understand it properly. क्या कि जो 1 होता है वो क्या करता है बेटा, हर नंबर को क्या करता है, डिवाइड करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, एनीवन with 2.
Ma'am, 2, 4, 2, 6. 2, 4,
Very
2,
good.
6.
Very good. 2, 4.
Ma'am, 2
6.
also.
Ma'am, 2,
Yeah, that is
2
2
also.
2 also. Very good, Pooja. I think Arsh was there. Next, tell me with 3.
3, 3, 3, 6.
Wow, wow. Very good reply. That is 3, 3 and 3, 6. Next, with 4.
4, 4.
4 4.
Answer is 4, 4. And with 6.
6,
6 6.
Very good. Disha, Vanshika, all are answering very good. It is 6, 6. Okay. This is what we got. Next is, what will be the domain here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम ये 3 6 और मैम 2 6 में तो मैम नीचे 1/3 बच जाएगा.
4, 6 will come. Exactly divisible
No,
होना
ma'am.
चाहिए ना बेटा.
No,
4, 6.
ma'am.
No ma'am.
This 4 is completely dividing it. Completely divide नहीं करते. Exactly divisible बोला है. 1.5 आएगा ना. So that is not exactly divisible. Got it?
No मैम ये 3 और 6 है तो मैम उसमें 1/3 बट 1/2 बच नहीं जाएगा मैम नीचे.
नहीं बेटा, ध्यान से समझो. Here B is exactly divisible by this. B को exactly divisible करना है ना मुझे. A is exactly not divisible. देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या है, ध्यान से समझो. Here question is B is exactly divisible by. तो मतलब जो पीछे नंबर आएगा वो डिविजिबल होना चाहिए फर्स्ट नंबर से. तो 6 क्या 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है? Here the second number, that is 6, it is divisible by 3. Answer is 2. Got it? Now what is the domain here? What is the domain?
1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 6.
6.
The answer is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You can say complete set A. पूरा set A क्या बन जाएगा? Domain. And what will be the range? Range क्या होगी यहाँ पे?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Same होगी मैम.
Yeah, that is 1. Then 2 is coming. Answer 3 is coming. 4 and 6. Yeah, that is same, which is coming equal to A. Okay. So this is the question. Next question is, determine the domain and range. R is defined like this. R is defined like this. You have to find out the domain and range. Means, what is this? R. First is X. Then second, it is not giving Y. है ना? Y नहीं दिया इसने. But directly he is saying that it will be X plus 5. Value जो होगी वो किसके इक्वल होगी बेटा? X plus 5. Okay. Where you can see only values of X is given. Values of X. बेटा जो तुम्हारे माइंड में कंफ्यूजन होती है ना, I am telling that point. That some of you are thinking of that. मैम 0 पुट करेंगे तो 0 पुट करने पर 5 आ जाएगा, लेकिन 1 पुट करेंगे तो 6 आएगा. So it's not belonging to it. R is not defined on any set. Can you see this? R को इसने define नहीं किया हुआ कि कहां से कहां तक जाएगा. Clear? Okay. It is from any point to any point. Is it clear? So remove this confusion that value of this which you are inputting in this, which you are giving to the domain, so all values can come here. Why it is so? Okay, because R is not defined on the set, क्योंकि ये defined नहीं है, लेकिन इसने X को define कर दिया. Okay, so what is X? 1. I think all can answer it now. What is the relation 1 with? जल्दी बताओ. Mayur. After putting 1, what will come? 0. चलो 0 से start.
1 6.
Yeah. 0 5. Mayur is right. 1 with 6. 2 with
7.
7.
good. 3.
Ma'am, 8.
8. That's right. 4.
9.
9.
Very good. 4. 4 के साथ क्या आएगा हमारा? 9.
9.
Ma'am, 10. 5, 10.
4, 9, and 5, 10. Okay, that's
10.
good. Okay, good, Kunal. Now here, what is the domain here? The values of X: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next is, what is range in this?
5 6 7 8 9.
5 6 7 8 9 10.
Very good. It is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is the question. It's very easy. Next is, write R is a prime number less than 10. Here, what is the relation? When you input X, then answer should be X cube. Okay. And condition is only for X. X क्या है? Prime number है. X क्या है बेटा? Prime number. Less than 10. Okay. Who will tell me the least prime number? सबसे छोटा prime number क्या होता है?
2.
2.
Very good.
From 2. 2.
Okay. You tell me, what is a prime number? सबसे पहले
Only
ये
which has
बताओ.
only 2
That
factors.
have only 2 factor.
Okay. Only 2 factors हो उसको हम prime number बोलते हैं, ऐसा? Is it so? ऐसे नंबर जिसके सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर हो उनको हम प्राइम नंबर बोलते हैं. चलो कहीं किसी भी पुस्तक हम उसको बोल सकते हैं. और यू कैन से द नंबर which is divisible by 1 and itself only. I think it should be the proper definition. Okay, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So some of you are thinking of 1. कुछ बच्चे 1 के बारे में सोचते हैं. बेटा 1 is not the number जो प्राइम नंबर होगा. 1 सिर्फ 1 से डिवाइड होता है, दूसरा नंबर तो नहीं होता. ठीक है. So the question is that the least prime number, that is 2. चलो बताओ जरा. What is the relation? Put 2. What will come?
8,
8. Very good. Next 3.
27,
27.
4 put करना चाहिए मुझे.
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then 5.
125.
125. 6.
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
6 is not a prime number.
7.
343.
343.
Very good. Very good
343.
reply from Harman. It is 343. Okay. क्या 7 की corresponding क्या आएगा बेटा? 343. Then next 8. 8 input should be there.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
9.
No,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. 11.
Ma'am,
No,
less
ma'am.
than
We should take
10.
only less than 10.
Yeah. What is the condition? That X should be less than 10. मुझे तो X क्या चाहिए? 10 से less चाहिए. Is it right? Okay. So these are the answers here. This is our roster form. 2 with 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, 7 with the 343. Okay. Next is here. A is a set which contains, what it contains, that is X, Y, Z. and B. What is B? B is 1, 2. This is A and this is B. Find the number of relation. So this question is different for you. Find the number of relations. Okay. Now tell me what is the number of elements? Number of elements.
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. Very good. Number of elements is 6. Who have replied it?
Ma'am, I am.
Mayur. Okay. That's good. So how many number are there in set A? That is M. Means equal to 3. Then number of element that is in B, that is 2. Clear? तो ये क्वेश्चन क्या आता है बेटा आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में आता है. देखो छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है लेकिन आएगा जरूर. कैसे? If the question is number of element, so Mayur have answered it, that is 6. Answer क्या आएगा? 6. Why? It is so because number of element in relation is equal to m into n. किसके इक्वल होता है बेटा? m into n के इक्वल. m is 3 here and n is 2. 3 2 जा कितना आंसर आएगा? 6. But what is the question? Can you see here? Is the question is number of relation? क्या number of relation के बारे में पूछा है? No. What he is asking number of elements नहीं पूछा. They are asking about the relation. So what is the question here? Number of relation. So answer is 2 to the power. 2 to the power number of element. Is it right? Got it? What is the number of relation? That is 2 to the power m.
6.
Yeah, answer is 2 to the
64.
power. Yeah, that is 64.
Yes, ma'am.
64. Yeah, answer is 64. That is correct. Okay. So I think now this is clear to all. Okay. That number of element, if the examiner is asking, we will say that is equal to. किसके equal होगा? M into n. Okay. And if the examiner is asking about the number of relation, so that is 2 to the power n. Okay. Now this is all about today. Okay. You have to revise it properly. If anybody have a query related to the relations, you can ask me. 2-3 minutes I'm keeping for you. What?